Login loop error on funding options fix. Login loop error on funding options fix. If you've been trying to log into your funding options account but keep ending up in an endless loop entering your details, hitting sign in, and then being redirected back to the login page, you're not alone. This issue frustrates many users, but the good news is, it's not as serious as it looks. Most people think their password is the problem, but the real cause is often cached cookies, expired tokens, or browser sync issues. Here's how to fix it step by step. Start by completely closing your browser or the Funding Options app. Then clear your cache and cookies. On desktop, open your browser's privacy or security settings and clear browsing data, including cookies and cached images. On mobile, go into Settings, select the Funding Options app, and tap Clear Cache or Clear Data. Next, make sure your browser or app is fully up to date. Outdated versions may not properly handle Funding Options' secure login system. Update it from your app store or refresh your browser to the latest release. If the issue persists, try using a different internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or use another network. Some restricted networks block secure login sessions. Also, double-check your browser settings. Make sure cookies and JavaScript are enabled. Both are essential for storing your login session. Without them, the system keeps asking you to log in again. Finally, type your login credentials manually instead of relying on autofill. Saved data can sometimes introduce errors that confuse the system. Once you've done all this, restart your device and log in again. You should now land directly on your Funding Options dashboard. So, the next time you get stuck in a login loop, don't panic. The fix usually takes less than 5 minutes. Clear your data, check your settings, and you'll be back to comparing business loan options or funding solutions without interruption.